Okay. Time for lunch. Unit 5.5 is a really simple concept. We've just talked about chores and household responsibilities. And now the ever important parent question of, did you get your chores done? So that's what we're doing now. It's really freaking simple. I can't believe I wasted purple on this. Oh, I wonder if I can. Yes, I can. Okay, that's better. I don't know why it resets. Anyway, so it's a simple question. You and eyebrows are up because it's a yes/no question, right? You finish. You finish. Two different responses. Yeah, finish. Or yeah, finish. Yes, yeah. Dad, calm down, okay? Or no, not yet, not yet. This is also the sign for late. So he hasn't arrived yet. He's late, not yet. So not yet. And remember, shake head. Oh no. Yes. No. Fish. Not yet. So that literally is the extent of this chapter. Finish, not yet. Yes and no. So an example of how to ask the question: are you done? Negative response, positive response. Okay, really simple. And again, if you notice in Unit 5, we've done most of this stuff, in past units. It's been a little hit and run thing where I plop it in and you've seen it, you've done it, and now I'm just saying, hey, remember when you did that? Good job. So more chores. Remember, eating the kitten. Don't eat the cat. But feed, right? Bills, pay bills. Plant, water, fish. Make coffee, not yet. Okay. So we go through all of those, same ones. Then there's a couple of mini dialogues where they just show, asking questions about, is it done? Is it not done? Yes, it's done. No, it's not done. So if you watch, there's some questions about them. There's answers. And again, we end up with a big video at the end. As I said, remember, Unit 5 is all these little hit and runs. Remember this from Unit 3? Remember this from Unit 2? Let's put them together. There we go. We're all done. That's what Unit 5 is all about. So it's a good review unit, even probably better than Unit 6. So that's 5.5.